Hello guys, now I am gonna explain how to add navigation menu using CSS and HTML. As you can see here that this is the simple HTML document with the title navigation bar and H1 heading navigation bar using CSS and HTML. After that there is a HR to give this type of line as you are seeing here. Now I am adding my menu elements with unordered list UL. In between UL text I am adding my menu elements here. Menu elements are home, videos, news. Now I am adding few menu elements with right hand side alignment. To keep this between this unordered list, we are mentioning another unordered list ul style equals float right. We have set the style of this float to right so that these elements can appear at the right hand side, and list style type is to none. You can see here that within this ul tag element mentioned with upper ul tag like home, videos and news, there is this dot element, but here there is no dot element. This is the impact of list style type none. Now here ending this newly mentioned ul tag, and here ending that this previous ul tag. Now adding style to this menu. Here within between style I have given ul selector list style type none, so that here dots can be disappeared. Margin is to 0. Margin 0 means that there will be the distance of 0 px from body element. Padding 0 means 0 space from body element. Overflow hidden means there will be no overflow. Background color I have set it to this one, which one is appearing, that is gray. Now I am closing style tag. After this we are providing few styles to li element. Here float is to left. All the li elements are set to float on the left hand side, and the border of the li element on the right hand side is 1 px solid, this one gray. Here li is to last child. Here li is to last child means last selector, means last child of li element, means last element of li element. Border is to right is to none, means display is to none, which means that the border on the right hand side of the li there will be no border. Now I am styling. Now here as you can see that navigation bar is styled. To do this we have used lia. Lia means we are selecting all the a elements within li. Display is to block. Display is to block means this one will be set to blocks. Now color is to white. Color is to white means all the elements that are written there, its color will be white. Text align is to center. Here text align is set to center as you can see. Padding 14 px and 16 px. Padding means space from both the sides. Here space from left hand side is 14 px and from right hand side is 16 px as you can see. Text decoration none. Text decoration is set to none, so that when we point the mouse over these links no underlining appears. As in normal links, if we point the mouse a line appears below the text, but here in this case you can see that no line is appearing. Now making this more stylish. Hover, lia hover, not active. Here lia hover means what will happen when the user will point his cursor above the particular button like this, home. When I am pointing, color is changing as you can see. And not active. Here not active means this property will be applied only to those objects which are not active. What is active element? I will be explaining in the next part. First see this one. The background color of hovering is set to 111, which means this color. You can see now. Now here LIA is to hover. Oh, this one I have explained. Here dot active. Here this element with active means that the element on which we are currently present, means the page which is currently opened or the element which we have recently clicked means active. Like here in this, home is active. In this one, home is active. Hence background color of home is set to this one, green. As you can see that if the home is active, its background color is set to green. So what we learned here, that how to convert UL elements into the navigation bar, adding CSS styles. Thank you for watching and having patience. Please do subscribe to me.